Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to share with you what I got from Smelly Faces. All right, friends, this is one of my favorite shops, and it's no surprise that I'm obsessed with essential oils. We love them, we use them every day, and I love this small shop. Sarah, who runs it, is one of the dearest, sweetest girls, and her shop has evolved over time. So we bought her Smelly Faces back in the day, and they have evolved cuter and cuter over the years, and look how cute. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Smelly Faces, let me share with you. This has a spot where you can put essential oils on the inside. Okay, so it comes with a brain, which is a little wool patch, and you can put 3 to 4 drops of essential oils on it, and you put the brain in the top and inside the top, and then you can zip it. These are the softest, coziest stuffed animals, and if I was a kid, I would just die to get this. So I've seen she has an Etsy shop as well as a shop with her website, and there's 2 to pick from, a boy and a girl. And on the Etsy shop, I've seen they have some animals too, which are really cute, and her line has expanded over the years. So the little zipper closes, you put the brain inside, and then your kid cuddles and smells it. Our favorite essential oil to put on this is Peace and Calming. Now, she sent me this one so I could review and share with you, and I loved it so much that I went on the website as soon as I could and ordered one for my son too, because they're just beyond adorable, and there's nothing else out there like it. Not only does she have cute Smelly Faces, but let me show you some of the stuff. I've got these little, just her cards too. Everything is so cute. The edges are rounded, and this says Lavendash, dash through the lavender fields with grandma, help her fill her jar of smells. Like, it's in the App Store. So they just have the cutest things. There's even a memory match playing card game, and then a book, Smelly Faces, Sniff the Earth. And it's all by Sarah, and she's done such an amazing job. Let me show you some of the pages. So I wanted to show you guys before Christmas, and I will try to get this video edited and uploaded as soon as I can. I'm talking quiet because I don't want the kids to hear what some of their Christmas presents are gonna be, but just look how cute. I will put the date so you can make sure and you order so you get it in time for Christmas. Look how cute. She even has apparel, feeling smelly. It's adorable. Friends, so I'm gonna do a giveaway with Smelly Faces. If you wanna win the Smelly Faces Sniff the Earth book and the memory match game, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway. All you have to do is share this video and comment in the comment section below that you've shared it. Share it on Facebook or on Instagram, and just tag me, Elizabeth Medero, to let me know that you shared it. All right, guys. My kids, whenever we go on vacation, they're allowed to take one stuffed animal, and I can tell you more times than not, they pick their Smelly Face to bring with them because they love it so much. So check out their shop. Let her know that I sent you her way, and I promise you your kids are gonna just love it. And let me know in the comment section, what kind of oil would you put on the brain? Which one would you do? Our go-to for the kids is Peace and Calming. Like, they just love it. And reminds them of home every time we travel. They bring their little Smelly Face and they smell it while they're cuddling. I think I need one for me. Probably have to order another. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one.